OnePlus fans, it looks like the next compact flagship is starting to take shape. Fresh leaks coming out of China are giving us a clearer picture of what the OnePlus 15T might bring to the table. And if these details are accurate, this phone could be one of the most interesting releases of the year. From camera specs and display size to battery capacity and charging upgrades, new information suggests that OnePlus is doubling down on performance and endurance while keeping the phone relatively compact. Let's break down everything that's been leaked so far and what it could mean for the OnePlus 15T expectedly launched on the line. According to current rumors, the OnePlus 15T is expected to launch sometime in March. While OnePlus hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, the steady flow of leaks usually means the device is getting closer to release. As always, leaks should be taken with caution. But when the information comes from reliable sources, it's often a sign that the core details are already finalized. Display details. Starting with the screen, the OnePlus 15T is rumored to feature a 6.32-inch display, which keeps it firmly in the compact flagship category. That's good news for users who want powerful hardware without carrying around a massive phone. The resolution is said to be 1.5K, which typically sits between full HD Plus and QHD. This sweet spot offers sharp visuals while being more power efficient than higher resolutions. A smart choice if OnePlus is aiming for strong battery life. While refresh rate details haven't been mentioned yet, it's safe to assume a high refresh rate AMOLED panel given OnePlus track record. Camera SE-Tube. Simple BUT of Focus D. Camera specs have also surfaced, and the setup appears to be clean and minimal. According to leak, 50MP main camera, 50MP telephoto camera, 16MP front-facing camera. Interestingly, there is no third camera on the back. This is the same approach OnePlus used with the OnePlus 15T, which launched last year. Instead of adding extra sensors just for marketing, OnePlus seems to be focusing on a tighter, more refined camera system. In terms of resolution, the camera setup looks identical to the previous generation. However, that doesn't necessarily mean image quality will be the same. There's still a strong chance OnePlus could upgrade the camera sensors, image processing, or software tuning, which often makes a bigger difference than megapixel count alone. Performance. Flagship appeal were. On the performance side, the OnePlus 15T is rumored to be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. If true, this would place the device right at the top of Android performance charts. This chip is expected to deliver faster CPU and GPU performance, improved efficiency, better thermal management, strong AI processing capabilities. For gaming, multitasking, and long-term performance, this would make the 15T a true flagship despite its smaller size. Battery. Big surprise. One of the most eye-catching leaks involves the battery. The OnePlus 15T is said to pack the largest battery ever seen in a phone of this size, with a capacity reportedly falling between 7,000 mAh and 8,000 mAh. If this turns out to be true, it would be a massive achievement. Phones with displays around 6.3 inches rarely cross even the 5,000 mAh mark, let alone approach 7,000 or more. This could translate to extremely long screen-on time, better standby performance, less charging anxiety for power users. Wireless charging makes a return. Another major upgrade is the expected addition of wireless charging. This feature was missing from the OnePlus 13T, and many users criticized its absence. Bringing wireless charging back would make the 15T feel more complete and more competitive against other flagship devices. While exact charging speeds haven't been leaked yet, OnePlus is known for fast wired charging, so expectations are high. Bold, white, and colors. Earlier leaks have also revealed some physical details. The OnePlus 15T is rumored to weigh 194 grams, which is reasonable considering the large battery being discussed. Color options are said to include relaxing matcha, healing white chocolate, pure cocoa. These names suggest a softer, more lifestyle-focused design direction, possibly with matte or textured finishes. Memory and storage options. On the hardware configuration side, the OnePlus 15T is expected to offer up to 16 GB of RAM, up to 1 TB of internal storage. That puts it comfortably in flagship territory and makes it suitable for heavy users, gamers, and content creators who need plenty of space and memory headroom. OnePlus means 4ONEPLUS. If these leaks are accurate, the OnePlus 15T could be one of the most balanced compact flagships OnePlus has ever made. It appears the company is focusing on strong performance, excellent battery life, clean camera setup, practical features like wireless charging and premium design choices. Rather than chasing gimmicks, OnePlus may be refining what already works. Final thoughts. While none of this information is official yet, the leaked specs paint a very promising picture. A compact phone with flagship performance, a massive battery, and a focused camera system could attract a lot of attention, especially from users tired of oversized devices. As we get closer to the rumored March launch window, we should start seeing more concrete details, including official teasers from OnePlus itself. Until then, this is definitely a phone worth keeping an eye on. If you enjoyed this update, hit like, subscribe for more smartphone leaks and tech news, and comment below. Would you buy the OnePlus 15T if these specs are real?